So, like, what I'm working on right now, though, is really, like, fun for fantasy sports or just anything. But right now, I'm messing with this NFL thing. I might should tell you about the card game, but the NFL is pretty cool. Um, so basically, this like goes to a website, and then from that website, it looks up players. 2022 season, um, week one, 50 athletes. Let me see if that changes it to five. And then what I have it now is I have it telling me how tall and how much each athlete weighs. Now this is the top. This was the top 50 fantasy players, and what I'll do is I'll use it to mathematically, like, precisely identify patterns, and then find good players from them. So for instance, you write this program, and all it does is import modules. This is like the import tools, right? And this is called Beautiful Soup. And so this is a module, and its function is to do stuff with like HTML, and it could like clean it, blah blah. All right, so here's the website. And so what we do, I always get that, and I think that's not by mistake. So, I guess it doesn't matter. Here you go. So, boom. That's the link we're gonna get it from. Here's all this stuff. And again, I have to be careful. I think you know more than I think that I know you know or whatever. But um, this is just a variable that gets the URL, and then also puts this in, as far as I understand it, and it like gets you the data you're looking for. Because you'll notice, like I noticed that when I looked at this, right, I did not see, like, check this out. If you're looking for, say, where the fuck did old boy go? Oh my god. This is actually happening to me on the other one too, like where you see all these stats. If you right click and inspect, it should take you to like right where the stuff's at. Now I'm gonna be very specific. Now it's the 7-6 yards. Boom, inspect, and you'll notice it highlights this. If I just click that, boom, 7.6. Right. So notice that. Okay. So what you do with that is you see how down here, here's a soup just telling you that soup is this stuff, and basically Beautiful Soup is going to go in, take that web page and the stuff that it got out of it, and like parse it out. I guess that means clean it or set it aside, and then this tells like this what it's exactly looking for. Okay, so notice how it has its soup, and that's how you know these are linked, because this is the variable, right? Soup is this, and so over here they use the word soup as a variable, and then this soup means this. So if you kind of wrote this right here, it'd be the same thing. Okay, so now this is find DL, but what I'm looking for here is not this. I'm sorry. Yeah, you see how this DL class, I guess this is HTML stuff. That's not what I'm caring about. Where the fuck did this go? God damn it. Oh. No. Right here. Son of a bitch. Alright. Back again. And you can do any quarterback. I'm just sticking in Mahomes for a reason. Alright. Boom. Okay, good. These bitches are really pissing me off. Okay, so what you would do is instead of DL, you put span because they had a span code here, and then you put class because they got the class code there. You notice this little code after class. If you put that into here where it says DL dash horizontal, instead of DS dash, if you put NG dash that stuff, it'll then look for this. Like, I don't want that, but I'm trying to speed this explanation up for you. But this will point right to where the data wanted to pull it, and then this closes the program. But then it prints 5. Oh, did it print more than 5? Yeah, okay, so it pulled the top 5, because remember I changed this to 5 up here? So the top 5, not quarterbacks, but fantasy point people, are 6'2", 6'6", 6'5", 5'7", 6'1", and you might, like, this guy might be under the radar, right? He looks a little short, but he's a running back, so that's probably why. Anyway, that's kind of the magic cool thing I'm working on there, because this can be crazy. Like, I can pull heights, weights, yards, college stats, mix them all together into a formula, and then it would pop out a Patrick Mahomes is rated a plus according to you, and then I would know based off my own formulas and all the data available to me the best things I could try to choose. But that's just whatever.